Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove product from bag on Mango. If you have changed the mind from purchasing the product, then this video might be helpful. So let's get started. First, launch open your Mango application. Now tap on the bag option. Tap on the three vertical dots which is at the bottom right corner of the product that you would like to remove. Among these two options, select delete option. And this is how you can remove product from bag on Mango. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.